Hello class, welcome to week 6. This week you're going to be starting your group work and picking who your groups are going to be. And I love the topic for this week because this is going to give you an opportunity to kind of leave your comfort zone to be looking at different social issues from different perspectives. And I love this picture with these seagulls and the saying that says, sometimes you need to look at life from a different perspective. And oftentimes it's easy for us to see things only from our own vision, our own view, our own set of glasses. And this week you're going to have the opportunity to look at different social issues from different perspectives. So to go over the overview for this week, you'll begin to think strategically by considering sensitive issues from the point of view of people who experience them, as well as from the perspective of people affected by those issues. You'll also consider how people and organizations can form natural alliances in order to reduce problems associated with those issues. For example, in my job working in the police department, I was part of a domestic violence prevention coalition and a suicide prevention coalition, a teen dating violence prevention coalition, and also a youth court association. So with different social issues, those were different social problems where alliances came together to try and help with those different social issues. So as you're learning to see things from other people's perspectives, and as you're learning to advocate for our brothers and sisters, I want you to think about, how does life look from their perspective? Those people that have those social issues being experienced in their life, what does it look like from their side? It's really important for us to be able to learn this, and you'll be able to learn this through your shadowing experience as well. So 3 objectives for this week for you to take into consideration. 1, differentiate between fact and opinion in relation to highly sensitive social issues. 2, demonstrate capacity to see a sensitive social issue and situation from different and competing perspectives. And 3, identify relevant points of intersection between your social issue interests and your nonprofit or organization's experiences and those of your teammates. So that goes right into group work. Ready or not, here we come. And when I was in grad school, I did group work online, and I know that there can be struggles, but it also can be a very rewarding experience. So the link for your group work sign up is in the announcement, and I'll also be sending it out in email. Now, the fact that we have 5 people in the class, we generally have 2 to 3 people in a group. So there'll be one group with 2 people and one group with 3 people. So with that said, the group that chooses to do 2 will get an extra 10% added to their grade for their added work that they do. So it'll become a first come, first serve on who signs up on the Google Doc. And then you will be evaluated on your group work, on how much you participate and contribute to your group. So, and I recommend trying to get this done early because one of your assignments this week is working with your group. So, a suggestion, at the end of next week, I'll be giving out additional bonus points based on how you've worked with your group or with your partner in the group that only has 2, and your overall quality of work thus far. So I just want to give you that kind of heads up so that you're prepared for it for when you have that opportunity for those bonus points next week. So just in conclusion, I want to share this quote from President Spencer W. Kimball as we consider looking at things from different people's perspectives. He said, "We hear what people say, we see what they do. But being unable to discern what they think or intend, we often judge wrongfully if we try to fathom the meaning and motives behind their actions and place on them our own interpretation." So I want you to be thinking about that, as this week you'll be discussing and learning about the Ferguson shooting and the views of law enforcement, which is near and dear to my heart, having worked in law enforcement or for a police department from a social work perspective for many, many years. So I look forward to seeing your work this week. If you have any questions about the group work sign up or any other aspects, please feel free to contact me. I will not be having office hours this week since it's Valentine's Day, and I figure some of you will be doing different events that night. But if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks and good luck.